Hey guys, what's going on? I wanted to show you one of our very last 2021 models that we have left. This is the Outback 340BH. I want to give you a quick outside tour because it is freezing outside. This thing weighs a little bit over 8,800 pounds and has a tip-to-tip length of 38 feet 6 inches. So you have your auto leveling system here at the front. You just have to press a button and it does the work for you. 2 propane tanks are just behind there, and then of course a spot for your battery. Nice fiberglass siding and front cap, which looks great. This also has the industry's best 3-year limited structural warranty. Over here on our camping side, you have some pass-through storage, and it actually is pretty tall compared to other pass-through storages, so you can fit bigger items in here if you want. Satellite and cable hookup plus power, so if you wanted to put a TV out here, you can. And then you also have a power awning that stretches over your slide out, so you really can take advantage of that outdoor living space. Outside speakers, solid steps at your entrance with the oversized grab handle. And since this is a 2021 model, it is pre-wired for solar. And then coming towards the back, so even though your awning does end right there, the door into your outside kitchen can actually double as a second awning. So you can still be outside cooking, even if the weather is just not on your side for your vacation. Down below, you have a drawer that pulls out with a couple of burners on them. Countertop space. I love that this is metal too. Satellite and cable hookup again. So if you wanted to put a TV right here, you can. But you can also use the power outlets for small appliances, coffee makers, air fryers, whatever you would like. Sink. Couple drawers, huge mini fridge, more cabinet storage, and you also have a light out here. Then coming towards the back, you have a ladder so you can climb up there and just keep up on your roof and slide out maintenance. And you are pre-wired for a backup camera if you want one. 2 more slide outs on your non-camping side. And that about covers that. So let's take a look at the inside. So as soon as we walk into the right, behind this door is our master bedroom. You got your queen size bed with the additional storage underneath. One thing I just love about all of the Outback models is they are pet friendly. And what I mean by that is you have 0 carpet anywhere in your camper. I mean, besides just the finish on your nightstands. But on the floor, you have 0 carpet. And underneath each master bed is a pet kennel. So your golden retrievers and Great Danes will not be able to fit under there, but your smaller dogs definitely will. You can also just lift it up and use it for extra storage underneath. So that's just a little extra feature that this Outback offers, and all the other Outbacks, which I think is pretty cool. 2 very large windows on either side of your bed. You also have closet lockers with mirror panels on them and a drawer underneath each. And that is a glimpse of what your closet locker looks like. Built-in clothes rack. Couple cabinets are kind of connecting in between for some extra storage. You are prepped for a second AC here in the bedroom if you want one. And of course, your satellite and cable hookup plus power for a TV. If you wanted to hang one up, you can. Power outlets are on both sides of your bed. The one on the right has a USB port, so you can pick and choose who gets which part of the bed. But I like that you have these little cubby spaces for your electronics, reading glasses, books, or even some snacks. I probably would put some snacks in there. Love the gorgeous detailing on your doors. I love the 2-toned wood. And then just next to your bedroom entrance is your control panel. Access your interior lights, slide outs, awnings, all of that fun stuff. See how full your tanks are. And then nearly across from your entrance into the camper is the bathroom. So if it happens to be an emergency, it's a short trip into the bathroom. Porcelain foot flush toilet. You have a lot of leg space too, so you're not feeling super cramped. Nice stand-up shower with a really pretty black frame and faucet finish. I think it's just really nice looking. Skylight is there above, and of course your vent fan too for circulation. And then you got your sink with kind of some storage here to the left. You could probably put a trash can, storage below, and then above in your medicine cabinet. Of course, some power. And then coming out into the main entertaining space of the camper, your kitchen and living room. This is a pretty unique camper, and I'll show you my favorite part once we get towards the end. And as you can see, there is no carpet located in this slide out, so that's really awesome. Makes for cleaning up pet hair really easily. You have your theater reclining seats, built-in cup holder, and remote control storage. Roll-down blackout shades are all across on every single window, which is pretty cool. And then just next to your theater seats is your booth dinette that converts into a sleeping space. I love that your fabric material, your leather, matches the theater reclining seats leather. It's very cohesive. The legs of your table are actually mounted against the wall, so if you are a taller person, you don't have to worry about your knees knocking into the legs of the table. USB ports are pretty much everywhere, and power outlets to charge electronics. And then across the way is your entertainment center, all electric fireplace down below, and it kicks off some heat, so you really can take advantage of that into early or late season camping. Bluetooth speaker system is just above there for your DVDs. Connect your phone to the inside and outside speakers. And then the really cool thing about your TV is that through a control, you actually can lower it down underneath here. So you really can look outside and, you know, have a nice view wherever you park your camper. But when you are ready to watch TV, you just raise it up like so. And then behind here, this gorgeous barn-style sliding door, you have kind of some random shelving, built-in clothes rack. You can use it for pantry space or just extra spots for your kids' clothes, whatever you would like. And then coming into this gorgeous kitchen, all solid surface countertops. I love the white, and there's even a little bit of sparkle randomly throughout your countertop. The darker cabinetry, you have some storage below your sink. All this countertop space for food prep. Stainless steel open mount sink with a spray faucet. And you also have this roll-up cover that you can use to dry your dishes or for extra countertop space. Really pretty light pendants too, and there's a skylight there up above. You can close it off if you want, but you can also leave it open for just some natural light coming in. Next to your TV, you have more countertop space. Our sale price for this unit comes out to be $49,999. Storage is below. Microwave, range hood, 3-burner stove top with a glass cover, and then of course your oven. Refrigerator. I love all these built-ins. And then before entering my favorite room in the camper, again, you just have some additional shelving storage. So this thing is loaded with all of your camping gear. It all has a place to go. And then finally, coming all the way to the back of the camper, you have this amazing bunk room. To my left is your first bunk. You have this ladder that you can stow away so that no one trips over it. But it's really easy to extend that out too so someone can climb up in the bed. Storage is behind it. Spot for a TV in between these two cabinets. Again, for their clothes, for toys, anything really. Love the soft teddy bear mattress. I think it's really cozy, and these are rated for 300 pounds, so a full-size adult is able to sleep up here if your friends are wanting to come camp with you. And then across from there, you have an actual sofa, and you can extend this out for another sleeping space, or you can just use it in its sofa position. This loft here does raise up, so if you are wanting to sit down and watch TV with your kids, you don't have to worry about hitting your head on that. But anyways, this is one of our last 2021 models that we have left. If you have any questions or concerns about it, leave a comment, send us a message, and we'll get back with you.